Now question number 18. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. So there are 90 cards, 90 discs. Total number of discs equal 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a two-digit number, a perfect square number, a number divisible by 5. So here the total number of discs is 90. Probability of getting a two-digit number, that is the first question. Number of two-digit numbers is equal 90 minus 9. That means 1 to 90 numbers are there. 1 to 9 numbers are single digit. Remaining are two digit. So here the number of two-digit numbers equal 90 minus 9, that is equal 81. Therefore, probability of getting a two-digit number equal 81 by 90. That is equal 9 by 10. The next perfect square numbers from 1 to 90 are 1, 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, like that 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. So 9 perfect squares are there. So probability of getting a perfect square equal 9 by 90, that is equal 1 by 10. Then numbers which are divisible by 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like that 90. In this way 90 up to 90, 1 to 90, there are 18 numbers are divisible by 5. So its probability will be 80 by 90 equal 1 by 5. Probability of getting a number divisible by 5 equal 18 by 90, that is equal 1 by 5. Next question number 19. A child has a die whose 6 faces show the letters as given below. A, B, C, D, E, A. A, B, C, D, E, A. There are 6 faces, 2 faces with the letter A. Okay. Then the die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A, then D? Two sub-questions are there. Probability of getting A, probability of getting D. So here total number of outcomes is 6. In how many faces there is letter A? 2 faces. So probability of getting the letter A equal 2 by 6. That is equal 1 by 3. Then what is the probability of getting D? There is only one face with letter D. So 1 by 6. Okay, that you can do yourself. The next question is question number 20. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in the figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with the diameter 1 meter? So this is the circle with the diameter 1 meter. This is the rectangle with the length 3 meter and breadth 2 meter. So here the question is, what is the probability that the die will land inside the circle with the diameter 1 meter? So this is the area which is favorable. This is the total area that is possible. Okay. So here the probability of the die will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter equal area of the circle with diameter 1 meter divided by area of the rectangle with length 3 meter and breadth 2 meter. So here area of the circle equal pi r square. D is given as 1 meter. So r equal d by 2, that is equal 1 by 2 meter. So substitute that here. Pi into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal pi by 4 meter square. Then area of rectangle equal L into B. So 3 into 2 equals 6 meter square, since L is given as 3 meter, B is given as 2 meter. Now we want to find probability of the die will land inside the circle. So favorable outcome divided by possible outcome, that is area of circle divided by area of the rectangle. Pi by 4 by 6. Pi by 4 into 1 by 6 multiply by the reciprocal. So that is equal pi by 24. Next question is 21. A lot consists of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and others are good. So total number of ball pens is 144. 20 pens are defective. So the remaining 124 pens are good. Okay. Then Noori will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? She will buy, probability of the pen that she will buy it means probability of the good pen, probability of getting a good pen. So here total number of pen 144, 20 defective, 124 are good. So here probability of the pen that she will buy it equal, what it is, 124 by 144. 124 by 144, that we want to simplify. Then for the second one is she will not buy it. What is the probability of the pen that she will not buy it? That is same as the probability of the pen which is defective. So here number of defective pens is 20, total number of pens is 144. So its probability will be 20 by 144. 20 by 144. That also we want to simplify.